My work, going all the way back to undergraduate school, revolves around architectural ceramics. We had been designing this for quite some time, about a decade on and off, but really drove it forward with the first ACAW conference where we drew the system sketches for the first time.
There's this experience that we have as manufacturers, and there's the fresh, young energy coming from the students and the young design professionals that are really focused on trying to understand the material and how to push it a little bit further.
I think for the school and the students, this is an incredible opportunity because it's a marathon internship. We have all these kids that are working directly with these amazing practitioners.
From what I've learned from the workshop, it's really this material that has a lot of possibilities in the future on a lot of different aspects in terms of sustainability and in terms of its durability.
The format is terrific because in this case we do a lot of pre-work ahead of time, like a cooking show. In some cases a lot of stuff's pre-made and then we assemble it together, and then we get to do a kind of design experiment to see how we would improve it as we put it together for the next time.
We're testing the basic structural system using the material, but we are also asking the students to think about how we can push this system, how can it evolve into different shapes, different structure, sizes.
They're involved in both drawing these interesting pieces that these architects and designers have come up with, and also in facilitating how to get that made into something physical.
They come with a great deal of enthusiasm to the project and a great skill set. They have experience in the shops and how to run the equipment, but also in the digital tools that we use today to do advanced design.
It's a really wonderful time, and to have access to this through the state school program. Bringing that to more people is really, really important for how we're going to continue to grow and cultivate great talent.
I think practice in architecture is quite complex. You know, not everybody ends up being a principal in a design firm. We are also really happy to see a lot of our students who are very good makers and designers wanting to go work within industry.
Each team's kind of doing very different things, and they're really sort of testing the limits of what the material and the processes can do, and that's really interesting to see as well.